Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are taking good care of yourself and your family too in this pandemic, right? So, today we are going to learn about the new poem, Beauty. Students, can you tell me what is beauty and where do you find the beauty? Yes, the poet in this poem tried to say that beauty is in everything. Beauty is in everything. All the small thing we do or the environment around us, everything has the beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Okay, like see, sunlight has its own beauty, sunset has its own beauty. Yes, then nature has its own beauty, trees, surroundings, all things have a own beauty, right? But for that, one needs a that eyes. Beauty needs eyes. Yes, because it is the attitude of a person. Beauty is everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight, in a small grind, you can say, or everywhere you can say. But beauty is in the eyes of beholder. Okay, that is the message was conveyed by the uh, poet E. A. Shore. Okay, so let's see what is this poem about, and let's see the whole description of this poem. Okay, so what is beauty? Look at that. Try to describe that what is beauty, and list some of the things or person you think are beautiful. Yes, there are so many things around us are very beautiful, like that sun, then rain shower, then you can say some kind of fishes, then various kinds of stars, so many things. But for that, the eyes of beholders are important, because beauty is in your eyes, right? So let's study this poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So here poet tries to tell us that beauty is everywhere. It is in the attitude of person. Yes, it can be seen in a sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, or also poet try to tell us it is in growing crops. The people who dance to show their happiness when their crop are ready, there also you can say a beauty. You can see a beauty. Yes. So here the new word is harvest. Harvest means what? The time of the year when the crop is ready. Okay. Okay. So poet found everywhere beauty in a sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, and in a growing crops also. He found the beauty in a people who dance to show their happiness, right? Okay, so look at that. Next stanza. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Here, poet want to tell us that he found the beauty in the everything. And poet tells us about that beauty is the thing to be felt. It can be heard means one can listen to it. Like one can hear its sound when night falls. When the wind blows and creates a sound when rain falls on the earth, when a singer sings. One can even feel it in a sincere and honest conviction of a person. Okay, so here poet explained this stanza like that only. Look at that third stanza. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So, poet wants to tell us that beauty is not always external or visible. It is within you. It can be abstract also. One's views, good thoughts, good acts, one wishes which one even imagine in dreams. Yes, there is a beauty. Beauty can be one way of work, even the style of taking rest. So, thus, beauty is very vast. It cannot be confined to one thing. Rather, it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see it. Okay, students. So, that is the whole poem described by E. A. Shori to us. Here, I'll explain, hold the summary once again for you. Look at that. The poet is trying to say that the beauty is in everything, in a small things or in the environment or in the everything there is a beauty. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in the growing corns also. Beauty is not only seen but it also heard or felt. For instance, you can see when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings, you can feel that beauty. They all give pleasure to the mind and make us to feel very happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within us. Beautiful is the self. Our good deeds, happy thoughts, then you can say, please everyone, our happy thoughts, please everyone, that is also beautiful. Our dreams, our dreams are also beautiful as they give us a reason to advance and work with a zeal. Beauty is in your style of work. Beauty is everywhere. It is seen in attitude, the way we look at things. Yes, actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner, right? So, poet tells us that we just need eyes to see and heart to feel it. Okay, like that. Here, the poem Beauty is finished. I hope you understood it well. Okay, we will see its question and answers in our next session. Okay, students, thank you for hearing.